Folks, if you are new to Loom or you're trying to figure out how does Loom come into my world, well, I got a special event for you happening on June 26th. So my good friend Rob Hean is going to be partnering up with Loom's Brittany Sowinski, and they're going to be sharing practical tips, real-world strategies, and a live demo on how to use Loom, transforming your training and enablement. You're going to get actionable insights that you can apply to improve your own workflows and knowledge sharing. They're going to be doing it 11 a.m. on the 26th Pacific time in LA, or these are the other dates, depending on whether you're in Sydney or Amsterdam. All you got to do is register, put in your information, hit that register button, and get ready to have a lot of fun and learn a lot. Robert Hean is a personal friend of mine. He's a great instructor, phenomenal voice. You are going to walk away from this with a lot of information. Robert is just such a brilliant presenter and knows so much about these Atlassian tools that you are definitely going to learn something. So make sure you sign up. Make sure you let Robert know that I sent you and subscribe to this channel if you want more helpful tips like these. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.